My name is Catherine Saul, and I'm an associate professor in the Department of Mechanical and Aerospace Engineering at NC State. I'm also a faculty fellow with the UNC System Office Academic Affairs. Together with my fellow fellows, we've been working on system-wide digital learning initiatives for the last 18 months. So when COVID-19 hit, we and the Digital Learning Initiatives team huddled together to think about how we can quickly and effectively help faculty across the system transition their courses from in-person to online or blended. We spoke to faculty from across the system, and we heard you loud and clear.
Where do I start?
Help!
Okay, pandemic. Enough already.
Does anyone know how I can share my screen?
Oh, okay, what are we supposed to do now?
Needless to say, this is a difficult period in higher education. The coronavirus has required us to rapidly, and in some cases sporadically, change all the elements of how a university education is provided. From classroom interaction, to food services, to residence halls, athletics, research, nearly no part of campus life has gone unchanged. A little background and context: across the UNC system, during the middle of the 2020 spring semester, COVID-19 forced over 14,000 faculty members to move over 50,000 in-person courses online in a matter of weeks. Amazing, 50,000 courses. This was an admirable and Herculean effort by faculty and staff, but the accelerated timeframe required what we call emergency remote teaching. In contrast to authentic online teaching, emergency remote teaching is not a sustainable long-term solution that provides the level of quality to which we are accustomed for our in-person or authentic online courses. This unanticipated mass migration to online exposed the gaps in our current online infrastructure, support systems, and offerings. Teaching large numbers of students online and at scale while ensuring those students are successful will require targeted supports for faculty. Which brings us to this workshop. This workshop is intended to provide the most critical of those supports in as short a time frame as is reasonable to attain the learning outcomes and help you thrive in an online environment.